Welcome to the Adding to your VyTräd Family Tree video. This video will demonstrate how to add directories and documents to your VyTräd family tree. First, we will look at adding directories. Let's go back to the tree we started in the previous video. To add directories, simply use the available menu options and add information to put families into the tree. So to add fathers, parents, click on that menu item, enter the names. I'm just entering first names. You'll obviously want to add last names and possibly birth and death dates. And that directory is added. And also then add the mother's parents. And then in addition to that, you can add directories for children. And you can continue on to add the entire family if you'd like. And also add spouses. And at this point, if you wanted to branch off to make the family tree for this person, you could add her parents' directories and continue building back that direction as well. With the spouse, you can add children to this family as well. And in that way you can build a tree with descendants as well as with ancestors. So you can use VyTräd to document your search for both living distant cousins as well as for distant ancestors. You can also add general purpose directories and name them as you wish for other types of documents or photos that can be placed in the family directory as well to contain specific types of information. And you can add a notes text file to the directory, and that can be used to document family information or research progress, research goals, source information, various things that will help you with the research process. There's a template file available in the VyTräd programs file directory that you can edit and customize for the notes text file. And as you can see, depending on the directory you're in and what state of information is available or has already been defined for that directory, VyTräd limits or changes the options available in the directory menu to only display applicable items. That's a summary of adding directories. The tree can get quite complicated, but this system will allow you to readily track and keep straight the information contained in the directories because it's all related to your actual family tree. Adding documents to your family tree can be done in a number of different ways. If you have documents in another filing system that you want to move to VyTräd, you can open the program twice. In the left, I will open the directories to the old filing system I want to move files out of. And then navigate to a family where I want to gather information. On the right hand side then, I can navigate to that same family location in the VyTräd system and then open the directory in both places. copy the files from the source directory and paste them into the new VyTräd directory. And I can close these directories, and in the new system, when I reload the directory, then I can see all of the files that were moved into the VyTräd system. It's a good practice to copy and paste rather than cut and paste files so that your old filing system can be retained as a temporary backup. You can also copy subdirectories as well, and then any files that are contained in those directories will be copied over as well. Make sure that you leave system files and directories that relate to the program alone and in place and intact when you make these kinds of changes. One of the files that you want to leave alone is called vtfamily.xml. That's a system file in every VyTräd directory. Also, any of the name directories that relate to the family tree system need to be left alone. No name changes or deletions or moving of those directories. In general, copying files from various locations on your computer into the VyTräd directory system is as simple as opening the source directory in Windows or File Explorer, opening the destination directory in VyTräd, and copying the files. To place files from online sources into VyTräd, you can use the Copy Path tool. I'm going to demonstrate that by finding the birth record of my great-grandfather in Archive Digital and saving that file into the VyTräd directory system by copying the path to that directory. I want to use his parents' directory to place his birth record in, so I'll copy the path. Go back to the source program. In this case, it's a save image operation. You paste the path into that directory or into the save image path text box. You want to enter the directory and make sure that you're in the right place by hitting enter. Then you can modify the file name to include the date, the name of the person, and the type of event that this record is for. I usually keep the source information in parentheses as well, so that that information is easily referenced as well. Hit save, and that document is now in the system. If you wanted to save another image, you can also zoom in, save again, and modify the file name to be a unique name and hit save. And when we go back to the VyTräd directory system, those documents are now available for review in VyTräd. So using VyTräd's directory tools and file management tools for adding directories and documents to your family tree is really quite simple, and the directory structure makes it very clear that you are placing information in the correct location for the subject family. You can then transcribe information from the documents to place key facts into your main genealogy software. The notes text files are available to record information and to record research progress and challenges. As a component of your family history research, VyTräd can act as a key tool for storing and retrieving information. You can easily store information from various sources into a clearly organized filing system, and you can use VyTräd's image viewing capabilities and notes files to retrieve information to place into your main genealogy software. That's all for now. Please watch the other VyTräd videos to learn more about how you can use the program in your family history research. Thanks for watching.